1. Natural relaxation. Castor oil contains a high concentration of a compound called ricinoleic acid, which has been found to have soothing effects on the body. Applying castor oil before bed can help relax your muscles and calm your nerves, making it easier to drift off into a peaceful sleep. 2. Moisturizes skin and scalp. Massaging castor oil onto your skin or scalp before bed not only promotes relaxation but also moisturizes and nourishes your skin and hair. This can help prevent dryness, itching, and flakiness, ensuring you're comfortable throughout the night. 3. Stimulates circulation. The gentle massage action of applying castor oil can help stimulate blood circulation, promoting better oxygen and nutrient delivery to your cells. Improved circulation can contribute to overall relaxation and a sense of well-being, setting the stage for a restful night's sleep. 4. Reduces muscle tension. If you suffer from muscle tension or soreness, using castor oil before bed can provide relief. The oil's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe muscles and joints, alleviating discomfort and allowing you to relax more fully. 5. Aromatherapy benefits. In addition to its physical effects, the pleasant aroma of castor oil can have calming and stress-relieving benefits. Breathing in the scent of the oil as you prepare for sleep can help signal to your body that it's time to unwind, making it easier to transition into a state of deep relaxation. So, the next time you're struggling to fall asleep, consider incorporating castor oil into your bedtime routine. Whether applied topically or simply enjoyed for its aromatic properties, this natural remedy may be just what you need to achieve a restful night's sleep.